Imagine this, a war where no human ever pulls the trigger. Silent machines stalk the battlefield, seeing through walls, striking with perfect aim. This isn't a movie trailer, it's today's reality. Nations are racing to replace soldiers with robots. Some dance, some drop from drones, and some can vanish completely. What you're about to see will change the way you think about war forever. We begin not on a battlefield, but at a technology expo. At the International Military Technical Forum Army 2024, the Russian arms manufacturer Kalashnikov unveiled something unexpected. A squad of robot dogs, dressed in camouflage, performing a perfectly synchronized dance. Moving in coordinated formations, they showcased a level of precision and control that is both impressive and a little unsettling. While a dance might seem harmless, this performance was a clear demonstration of advanced robotics. The Army Forum is a platform for the latest weaponry, but it also highlights dual-purpose technologies. And these dancing dogs are a stark reminder that the same systems that entertain today could easily coordinate an attack tomorrow. But you don't need a billion-dollar defense budget to arm a robot. An engineer and YouTube blogger from the channel I Did a Thing proved just that. He took a commercially available robot dog from the Chinese company Unitree, a machine typically used for research or logistics, and mounted an automatic weapon on its back. The experiment, while created partly as a satirical take on autonomous weapons, immediately went viral, highlighting a serious ethical dilemma. It showed how easily accessible technology could be converted into a dangerous weapon, raising critical questions about regulation and the potential for misuse. It's a stark warning. The era of weaponized robots is so close. You can build one in your garage. The line between civilian tech and military hardware is clearly blurring. Do you think companies should be prevented from selling advanced robots to the public? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. While YouTubers are experimenting, the world's most advanced militaries are running official tests. The U.S. Marine Corps recently took the concept of a weaponized robot dog a step further, testing a Unitree Go-1 model equipped with a modified M72 grenade launcher. The military believes such a system could be invaluable in dangerous urban combat, allowing soldiers to engage targets from the safety of cover. The weapon system, mounted on the robot's back, includes a GoPro camera for targeting. In test footage, the robot fires from a static position, braced by sandbags to handle the recoil. What's most ironic about this American military test? The robot dog carrying the powerful weapon is manufactured by a Chinese company. Meanwhile, China is rapidly advancing its own robotic forces. During recent joint exercises with Cambodia, the Chinese People's Liberation Army showcased quadruped robots that looked like they walked straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. These robot dogs, mounted with automatic rifles, demonstrated their capabilities in urban combat scenarios. Based on the commercially available Unitree Go-2 model, which costs as little as $1,800, these military versions are enhanced for the battlefield. Weighing around 15 kilograms, the robot can carry an 8-kilogram payload and move at speeds up to 3.5 meters per second. With a battery life of about 2 hours and support for AI functions, it represents a flexible and cost-effective robotic soldier. But what if you could deploy a robot dog anywhere on the battlefield in seconds? The Chinese company Kestrel Defense has answered that question with its robot, Bloodwing. In a demonstration that caught the world's attention, Bloodwing was dropped from a large drone, landed on a rooftop, and immediately began providing fire support. This revolutionary deployment method allows military forces to place an armed asset in hard-to-reach areas, like behind enemy lines or on top of buildings, to suppress enemy positions. Kestrel Defense says this creates a three-dimensional assault, fundamentally changing tactical possibilities and giving commanders an unprecedented advantage. While four-legged designs dominate, Chinese engineers are already thinking outside the box. Forget robot dogs. Say hello to the Spherical police robot. This cutting-edge machine is designed for urban patrolling and can pursue offenders completely autonomously. Shaped like a sphere, it's equipped with an AI system that allows it to navigate crowded streets, rough terrain, and even swim. It can reach speeds of up to 35 kilometers per hour and is built to withstand impacts and falls. This rolling, all-terrain enforcer represents a completely new direction for robotic security and opens up incredible new possibilities for maintaining public order without putting human officers at risk. And now for the technology that could change everything. It's no secret that China is developing invisibility cloaks, but recent intelligence has revealed a truly shocking application: a unique invisibility suit designed specifically for their robot dogs. This technology is intended to make the robots completely invisible to both visual and thermal detection. The suit is made from advanced materials that absorb light and thermal radiation, allowing it to evade even infrared and night vision cameras. An invisible, silent, robotic soldier would be the ultimate tool for stealth reconnaissance and covert operations. The secrecy surrounding this project has experts speculating, but one thing is clear: if successful, this technology would be an absolute game-changer in military robotics, giving its operators a truly ghost-like presence on the battlefield. From synchronized dancers to invisible hunters, the evolution of robotic warfare is happening faster than anyone imagined. These machines are no longer confined to factories. They are marching onto the modern battlefield, equipped with weapons, AI, and capabilities that were once pure science fiction. The questions we face now are not about if they will be used, but how. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video did you like the most. If you enjoyed the video and want to stay ahead of the curve on future technology, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. Thanks for watching. See you next time.